Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to complete the CGI Solve story problems. There will be a sheet with a story problem, and I will also include a picture to go along with the story problem. The way that we do this is we follow this acronym SOLVE, and we have a letter for each step. The first step is to study the problem. So we are going to read the problem 2 times like this. There were 10 cookies on my plate. I ate 3 cookies. How many cookies were left on my plate? There were 10 cookies on my plate. I ate 3 cookies. How many cookies were left on my plate? So now the student has to put it into their own words. Well, there were 10 cookies on my plate, and I came and I ate 3 of them. So I took 3 of them away. Now we're going to think, what is this problem asking me to find? The problem is asking me to find how many cookies, the number of cookies left on my plate. So that is step 1, studying the problem. Now we're going to organize the facts. So we're going to look back in the story problem and we're going to think about what the numbers mean. So we have the number 10. 10 means that there were 10 whole cookies on my plate. That is the total. We have the number 3. I ate 3 cookies, so this means that the 3 cookies were taken away. Now we're going to estimate. Estimating means to make a reasonable guess. So looking back at these numbers, I know that I have 10 cookies and I'm going to take away 3. So I think that my answer is going to be less than 10. So we organize the facts. The next step is to line up a plan. When we line up a plan, we think about what strategies we're going to use. You can use a number bond, draw a picture, use a number sentence, cubes, or whatever kind of manipulative you have at home, which means it could be counters, it could be beans, anything that you have to count. Or you can use a 10 frame. So my plan is that I'm going to use a number bond, a number sentence, and I'm also going to draw a picture. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do that in my strategy box. So, I have my number bond. I know that there are 10 cookies in total, so I'm going to put that in my total. Now, we have 3 of them were taken away, which means that there were 7 left. So I have my whole, which is 10, a part, 3, and the other part is 7. Now I'm going to write my number sentence. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Or 10 take away 3 equals 7. Finally, I'm going to draw a picture. I have 5 here, 5 cookies on the bottom, and I know I am taking away 3. So I'm going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write my answer. There are 7 cookies left on my plate. So I verified with action, and now I'm going to examine my results. So I'm going to go to the blue box down here, and I'm going to ask myself the following questions. Does it make sense? Does it make sense that I have 7 cookies left when I started with 10 and I took away 3? Yes, that does make sense. And it's in the correct units. I am still talking about cookies. Is it reasonable? Let's go back to the estimate. Is my answer less than 10? Yes, 7 is less than 10. My answer is reasonable. Finally, is it accurate? Did I check it with more than one strategy? And was my answer The same for all of the strategies. Let's look. My number bond, my answer was 7. My number sentence, it was 7. And my picture also shows that the answer is 7. So my answer is accurate. And I was able to examine my results. This is how you complete the CGI Solve story problem. You can do it on the Google Drawings, and you can either use the scribble option or you can use the text box option. If you would also like, you can do the work on a piece of paper and then take a picture of that piece of paper and send it in as well. Whatever is easier for you. If you need any more help, please let me know. Have a wonderful day.